Hi, I'm Lina from channel Your Beauty with Lina. Today I will talk about how to remove hair dye from the skin. The hair dye should be removed from the skin quickly. The sooner a person removes it, the better, as Dr. Joshua Zeichner using an antiseptic for this purpose. Also, medicinal alcohol or wound disinfectant can be used to clean the skin from hair dye, and it is worth noting that warm water and soap can be used to remove the dye that is not yet dried. Practical ways to remove pigment from the skin. Hair dye can be removed from the skin by following the following methods. 1. Antiseptic and alcohol. The hair dye is removed from the skin using a cotton ball soaked in an alcoholic liquid, a 2% hydrogen peroxide solution, or in a hairspray, and rubbing the dyed skin, after which the skin is washed with soap and water. 2. Peeling the skin. Peeling the top layer of the skin colored with hair dye can be done by using one of the face or body peeling products, and baking soda and liquid soap can be used and put on the skin for 2 minutes, then clean the skin and wash it. 3. Baby oil. Baby oil is used to remove the dye from the skin, as it is applied to the skin for a whole night, and to protect the pillows and covers from the oil. The skin can be covered with a bandage, or you can sleep on a towel, and in the morning the skin is washed, as it will be noticed that the oil has removed the dyes. 4. Nail polish remover. Acetone nail polish remover can be used to remove dyes from the skin, as it should be applied to a small area of the skin at the beginning, and avoiding getting to the eyes. It is preferable to use it more than once a day. 5. Hair color remover. It is possible to resort to the use of hair dye remover in the event that previous attempts failed, and it is worth noting that a hair dye remover product can be obtained from hair salons. 6. Lemon. Hair dye can be removed from the skin using lemon by cutting the lemon in half, rubbing it on the dyed skin, leaving it for a few minutes, then cleaning the skin with a cotton ball or washing the skin with water. 7. Toothpaste. Toothpaste can be used to clean the skin from hair dye, and by placing an amount of paste on the colored skin and using a piece of cotton to wipe the dyes off the skin. Now I will talk about general tips for removing dye from the skin. The following tips must be followed when removing the pigment from the skin. 1. Any method in which the dye is removed must be tested on a small area of the skin, such as the arm, in order to ensure the sensitivity and irritation of the skin to the method used. The irritation or redness of the skin during the cleaning process indicates that the skin does not respond well to the cleanser, and after that the skin must be rested. Then try another suitable cleaning and dye removal method. 2. Care should be taken when removing hair dye from the area near the eyes, and natural ingredients are preferred in this case. 3. White toothpaste should be used to remove hair dyes from the skin. 4. In the event of an allergy to lemon, it is preferable to dilute lemon juice with a little water and apply it to the skin with a soft cotton ball. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. Do not forget to press the like button, subscribe, and activate the alarm bell.